Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In today's video, you'll learn how to sign some common greetings and responses in American Sign Language. What's up? So with your middle fingers on both hands, just have them right here on your chest and just come up and out like this. What's up? What's up? The next one is not much. So with that, we're just going to say like nothing. So you're going to make like 2 nines with both your hands and just go back and forth like this. Now look at my face and how I'm like, nothing. So somebody might say, what's up? And then you say, nothing, not much. Are you all right? Now, all right, and then point to them. So with your non-dominant hand, have a 5 closed, dominant hand and a closed 5, and you're just going to go here with your pinky and swipe up like this. All right, and then point. Are you all right? And then your face is like a question, right? Remember that the facial expressions are very important to show whether you're asking a question or not. Are you all right? Or are you okay? Now, some responses to like, are you all right, might be yes, with your hand in a fist, up and down, or you can just shake your head, yeah, like that, yes. So with your dominant hand, make a fist, shake up and down, yes. No. With the closed 3 with your dominant hand, and then your thumb touches your fingertips a couple times, no. Or just shake your head no. Or you might just give somebody thumbs up, meaning like, I'm okay, I'm doing well. Are you all right? Yeah, I'm okay. You might ask someone, how are you? So with your hands, you're going to make like A's, thumb sticking up just a little bit. With your dominant hand, you're going to move up just a couple of times. How you? Or you might just say it once and then point. How are you? How are you? You might get some responses or give responses such as fine, fine. So with your hand, a dominant hand and a 5, fine or fine, bad. So with your dominant hand and a closed 5, touch your chin and move down like this, bad. Or you might see it like this, bad. Those are 2 variations that you could see when you look up the sign language for bad, bad, okay? Or bad. Now good, you're going to use your dominant hand and a closed 5, touch your chin. Now this is thank you, but sometimes people also use it as good. Or you might see good like this, which is opposite of the bad. You just keep your hand like this, good or good. Depending on the context, if you use one hand, will determine whether it's, good or thank you. Good or good. Sick. You might be sick and tell someone. So with your middle fingers, your dominant hand is on top on your forehead. Non-dominant is here on your stomach. Sick. Sick. Tired. Now someone might ask you, how are you? Tired. What you're going to do is have your hands in closed 5s and bend them. Touch your fingertips to your shoulder area and then just move down. Tired. Tired. So whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, to improve your communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe Academy today, and thank you for stopping by.